Dang. Wave at me. Let them know it's you. Here he comes. Here he comes. Don't stop. Get it. Get it. Woo. That's that Hoover board. Go on down. Oh, you show off. You show off. Come up the grass when you come back. Let's see how you really rate.
Alright.
Dang, you're a beast with it. Come on up. See how far into the house you can go.
Woo!
Dang, woo. That was a toe, but I guess now it's just a foot toe.
Oh, okay.
There's a pinch on the butt to get you going. He dusted off that. Now he's finna dust you off in some good old sorry.
Is that yours, Mom?
Yeah, I just laid it there.
That's all.
That's all you was giving me.
I got help today, Mark. You don't get me.
Mark, like I'm trying to share. You can't do that on there.
Maybe he don't need to help Dre with the chairs.
I got help today. I got help today, Mark. You ain't gonna get me. I got help today.
Hey, you got help today? Okay.
Right.
Here, Dre, get me and kissing Darrell.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Margo.
It's recording. It's actually recording.
Let me sit down.
Stop spying on us.
Hey, look at that hand. Look at that. He's doing a super grip, and now we're kissing.
Right here.
Super grip, is that what you said?
I love you with all my heart, too.
My baby girl. You always.
Love you. This is supposed to be a kid video.
Cute.
Cut it.
Cute.
You have to cut it.
That video is way too long. You need to cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
They stole Cupid's whole bag of arrows. Nick can't even shoot nobody no more.
I'm sorry.
Where's my head at? Is he still recording?
Well, there's the grand.
Wow.
Alright, Drake, cut it.
It's black.
Done?
Yeah.
Yeah.